Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Booking Calendar add-on on Google Forms 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, over here open Google Drive. After that, click on the new button in the top left corner. Then select Google Forms from the drop-down. Over here, you can either choose a blank form or pick a template. After that, set up your form by adding questions, selecting question types, and adjusting the settings. Then look at the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From here, select Get Add-ons. Over here in the search box, type Booking Calendar. Then click on it when it appears and press Install. After installation, go back to your form, click on the add-ons icon and select Booking Calendar. Then choose Configure Booking Calendar. Over here, you'll be prompted to open Google Calendar so it can sync with your events. If you don't already have an event, you can add one in Google Calendar. After configuration, the booking calendar will automatically appear in your form. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.